Hi, and welcome to our channel Come Draw With Us. Today we are going to walk through the process of drawing this jellyfish in Procreate. To get started, I used a 5x7 canvas, and using any sketching brush, start sketching out the shape of a jellyfish. If you don't want to draw your own, I put a link to my jellyfish sketch in the description down below. You can just upload it as a photo in your Procreate canvas and copy it from there. Add a layer underneath your sketch and use blue to fill in the shape of the jellyfish. First, make the background black. Then, on top of the blue layer, add a new layer and make it a clipping mask. This is where you'll add texture to the jellyfish. In this video, I am using acrylic pour brushes by Elena Jensen. However, any texture brushes in Procreate will work just fine for this project. Now I want to add some highlights to the jellyfish. Create a new layer above the texture and make it a clipping mask. Using this soft brush and with a light blue color, highlight all the way around the jellyfish. We now want to blur this out a bit. Staying on the same layer, select Adjustments in the top left toolbar, then click on Gaussian Blur. Blur the highlight by sliding the pencil on the iPad from left to right. I blurred my highlight about 7%. We now want to add a second highlight for a little bit more depth. Add another clipping mask on top of the highlight layer, and using an even lighter blue, create another highlight all the way around the jellyfish. To soften it up, use the Gaussian Blur again, and this time I blurred it by about 9%. To define the ridges of the jellyfish just a bit more, add another clipping mask and trace the ridges about a quarter of the way up the jellyfish. In this video, I used the gold leaf brush by Elena Jensen. However, Procreate has a light pen brush that will work just as well. Now we're going to add the tentacles. You'll want to add these on a layer beneath the blue jellyfish layer. Then, using either Procreate's light pen brush or Elena Jensen's gold leaf brush, draw skinny tentacles all the way down the page. To draw the arms of the jellyfish, add a new layer beneath the tentacles. I am still using Elena Jensen's brushes. However, Procreate has an awesome brush in their luminance category called the Nebula brush, and that will provide a very similar effect. Here's the finished project. Thank you so much for watching, everybody. I hope you had a great time drawing this jellyfish. If you enjoyed this tutorial, go ahead and subscribe to our channel to be updated as we post more tutorials.